Wanted to give you a brief introduction to who we are, what we do, and why we're here. So, who is the OI guy? Well, where I live, guy is kind of a colloquialism. It means you, me, guy down the street, OI dog, anybody that wants to participate. Really, that's who it's for. The OIguy.com came to be because there is a need for a patient-gathered database of information, both anecdotal and scientific, information that helps us get through the day and then through our lives. Additionally, we need one central repository compiled by us, maintained by us, and by us I mean the folks with OI, I mean the physicians, I mean the clinicians, I mean the caregivers, everybody who's involved in getting you through your day and then through your life. So those are two of the three reasons why we're here. If you log into theoiguy.com, what you're going to see is a link there that says Drs We Like. When you have a second, please click on that link. There's a free form text field. Yes, I get a lot of spam that way. That says Drs We Like. And it's exactly what we're looking for. Now it does say doctors, but I'm looking for physicians, I'm looking for clinicians, I'm looking for caregivers, I'm even looking for facilities. A lot of folks are like, well, I don't know who did my hip, but it was over at XYZ Orthopedic Hospital. Great, let us know who they are so we can put them on our list and maintain it. And then if you'd like, there's a link right here that you can click on, and at the moment you'll download the entire list straight to you. I'm working on getting it to display, but right now our resources, time, money, etc. are very limited, so we haven't got quite that far yet. Then there's the third reason we're here. This is our BHAG. This is our one big, hairy, audacious goal for the year, for this whole project. By the end of the year, we want to put together a training package that we can take to medical schools, nursing schools, fire stations, EMT companies, everywhere that needs to see it, maybe even your local high school, and put together a lunch and learn so that the doctors, the nurses, the caregivers can sit and find out what it's like to be in your shoes, in your chair, for as long as you want to share. I keep it to 2 hours because that's about anybody can allocate for lunch, but the idea is to bring in a couple of professionals, some physicians, some clinicians, some caregivers, and some OI patients to talk about what they do to get through every day and get through the rest of their life. Things that are not going to be in the books, that are not going to be in the software that the doctors are relying on today. I spent 20 years working in healthcare. Trust me, I know that every time somebody in the OI community, whether it's in person or online or what have you, raises their hand and says, hey, I just moved to Armpit, Arkansas, and I don't know where to find a doctor. It's probably true. And there's probably nobody within 100 miles of that town that had any idea what she's talking about. And yet every day, if you think about it, you get questions from people who say, you know, my daughter just got diagnosed with OI, she's 6 months old, what do I do? Or my son has OI, he's had it most of his life, but we've been traveling the world and we need a local doctor. Now, doctors can be orthopedic surgeons. Those are the ones we deal with most often. I joked around for years that my primary doctor's black bag said Black & Decker on the side of it. And it did. So I want to be dead asleep when they start using that thing. But I've been blessed with some good doctors. I've been blessed with some great doctors, and we want to hear about yours. Now understand, doctors are human too. Everybody has a bad day. What we don't want to hear about is you're running with that doctor who just couldn't get it through his head that when your arm's at a right angle to your elbow, God didn't intend it that way. And then, yes, it's broken, so can you help fix it, please? Everybody has a bad day. You may run into a great doctor who's got a horrible staff. Been there, done that. We don't want to hear about that either. We want to know about the positive experiences you've had. If you want to put up a database of all your negative medical experiences, trust me, I'll be the first one in there loading data. But that's not what this is about. This is about providing positive experiences to people who need it every single day. And then, of course, if we get to our end of the year goal and we're out working in the community, we're in the medical schools, we're in the nursing schools, we're in the high schools, anywhere that we can get to talk about what it's like to go through life with, especially in my case, a disability that doesn't always show up. Some folks, my brother, for example, passed away recently. He was in a wheelchair for the last 10 years of his life. His disability was kind of obvious. My dad, also in a mobility scooter last decade of his life, but his disability wasn't so obvious. People figured, oh, he's old, it happens. No, really, it shouldn't. I plan on walking, running, or crawling my way to the grave, if I have to. If I gotta get a mobility device, I gotta get a mobility device. Right now I'm using a cane. I tell my dog I carry a big stick just as you're a big dog. I love my dog, truly, I do. But that's what we're here for. That's what we're about. These videos will get better. They'll get more professionally made. When this camera was purchased, it was the finest and most recommended camera for YouTubers looking to make vlogs. That was a couple years ago. Things have changed. 4K wasn't even a thing back then. It is now. We want your information. We want your stories. Tell them to us. Call us. Send us videos. Send us essays. Send us paragraphs. Send us get well cards. And while you're on the site, check out the big link at the very bottom of the toolbar that says merch. You can get some cool t-shirts like this. I got hats. I got mugs. We got all kinds of cool stuff. As a matter of fact, at the end of the month, we're going to give you a shot to win some of that stuff at absolutely no cost to you. So please stay tuned. Look, watch the site, watch YouTube, watch what you need to watch, and keep on going. Because that's what it's about. Getting through the day and getting through the rest of your life. Because if you get through today, you can get through tomorrow. If you can get through tomorrow, you can get through the week. And that's all it takes.